Today I'm going to show you how to successfully and easily how to uninstall a program from your computer. First off, what you want to do is go to the search bar on the taskbar. Search up Control Panel and then click Enter. After Control Panel opens, click on Uninstall the program. All of this should happen. Scroll down to the app that you want to delete. I want to delete Epic Games Launcher. So basically, as you can see on my desktop, I do not have Epic Games Launcher. Because once you delete stuff to your recycle bin and then permanently delete it, the app is still stuck on your OS. So this is how you permanently delete them. So right click on the one on the name. It should say repair installation or uninstall. Click uninstall. Every uninstall progress should pop up different. It just matters that you uninstall it. And different applications should look different when you uninstall it. So just wait until this uninstalls. I don't know if you saw that or the screen turned black, but they asked me I want to allow changes, and I clicked yes, because it's going to uninstall the app. That's the only change it's going to make.
I know. She was off of the fat player. I know. I thought I was off. I know.
Now, as you can see, Epic Games Launcher has successfully got deleted. Now, you do not have nothing I do not have Epic Games Launcher installed inside my PC. Now, all you need to do is just close programs and features. Then you are done. Congratulations. You just uninstalled an app completely from your computer. Hope you guys like this video and subscribe, comment down below. I am a new YouTuber and I hope you have the great rest of your day. Bye.